Welcome to the Centennial House, this 100-year-old estate with beautiful views of Park Lake near downtown Orlando. It's lightning tour time. Completely modern kitchen with Wolf gas range and Sub-Zero refrigerator. The Solarium, which opens up to your patio outside looking at Park Lake. Living room, complete with wood-burning fireplace. Sitting room on the north wing of the home. Primary suite, complete with spa-like bathroom, huge walk-in closet, and your own separate entrance to outside. Bedroom number 2 with plenty of closet space. Bedroom number 3 with westward-facing views of Park Lake. Bedroom number 4, also with westward-facing views of Park Lake. This super cool bonus area.
My Guy Bri.